hope you all are doing great. I'm assuming that most of you have clicked this video after seeing the thumbnail of this video, which says that I am lost. And if you're here right now, if you're watching the video right now, firstly I want to say that hi babe, you're not alone, because I am also at a place in life where I feel lost. Okay, so now elaborating this point further, let me share my own little story with you as to why am I saying that I'm lost in life. Being lost का अब क्या मतलब होता है, सरल शब्दों में अगर मैं बयां करूं तो it means that आगे नहीं पता क्या करना है लाइफ में, right? That is what most of the people my age are going through. I'm aware of that we take up degrees, we take up our education, but we don't know what to do with that education आगे. We feel lost, we feel like we don't have any passion for anything, we don't have a goal, we don't know what career to take up, we don't know what to do. Okay, and even if you do have passion, we are too scared to take our passion as a career because we like कि इसमें scope नहीं है, इसमें यहाँ पे scope नहीं है, इसमें इतना पैसा नहीं है, जो भी. So I am aware, and firstly if you are lost and आपको भी नहीं पता है आगे क्या करना है, you have pursued your education, अगर आपको नहीं पता आगे क्या करना है, you are not alone. Let me just tell you that. So now let me tell you my story. कि क्या कैसे क्यों मैं इस lost scenario तक पहुँची. I was never a lost person. Okay, I always knew since the time one thinks of a career option, I always knew what career I have to pick up, and that was to become a civil servant. So all the choices that I made even in school were made keeping in mind कि आगे मुझे क्या बनना है. So I took up humanities. I did well in my school. I scored a decent नहीं, अच्छे नंबर आए थे मेरे. So I scored अच्छे नंबर even in my 12th, and then I went to college, and college maybe I did this same kind of course which will help me further with my civil services preparation. Then I devoted 3.5 years to that preparation. I gave 2 attempts, could not make it. But that was, mind you, my only option that I ever thought of making a career in. I had no backups, which is such a big foolish mistake that you should never ever make. You should always have a plan B. So I never had a plan B, and yeah, and that didn't work for me, and I was not getting the satisfaction at one point after doing it, like. And it is a very big shocker for you that the thing that you've always dreamed of 5-6 years, say I have been dreaming of becoming an IAS officer, but then there's this day where you're like, it's I don't think it's giving me that. I don't think it's really meant for me, and it's not really what I want to do in life. And that is the moment, that moment of realization. It is actually good for you, but when it hits you, you just like, oh my god, what the hell. The thing that I've been preparing for, dreaming about, are good at, it's not meant for me, and that hit me. And then uske baad, then I went for masters preparation. Masters I could not clear. All the colleges that I have filled up forms for, masters, I was either late in the admission process because I was too busy in the UPSC prep, right? And MA to maine socha nahi tha, so I was too busy with that preparation, and I could not make it I could not clear any of the entrances for masters. And the year ahead was haunting me because it was my second academic year, and now I'm in the third year. Like 2 years back, I took 2 academic drops. So, after being stuck in that second academic drop and not knowing what I have to do aage bhi, I've already taken 2 academic drops. Like, it is such a big dent on my CV. It's such a big black mark on my resume. When you show your resume to anywhere, they'll be like, 2 साल कहाँ गए आपने, क्या किया? And you will be like, हाँ मैंने civil services की prep करी but exam नहीं निकल पाया. तो कुछ इतना appealing तो उसमें नहीं है. तो यही हुआ, and that is when the dark phase started in my life. That is where I was like, I don't know what to do. Like, please someone tell me what to do in life, because मेरे से खुद से तो ये decision लिया नहीं जा रहा है. Now coming to the main part of the video as to what is that one thing that has helped me in my journey, and not even my journey, what's that one thing that helps me keep going every single day. The only thing that has helped me and has helped my boat to sail is spirituality. Spirituality has not changed my circumstances a bit. I am as lost as I was 1 year back. I still don't know what to do with my career. I still don't know कि मेरे goals तो हैं दिमाग में, but how will I reach them? What path to take, what course to take, what to do next, what to do tomorrow. I'm not aware of that. So my circumstances have not changed. It's just that spirituality has changed my mindset to see those situations in such a different way now. And I want to just say one thing, that just surrender to God. Whoever God you believe in, just surrender to him and then see the magic happening. You know, sometimes, and by the way, surrendering is not easy. Surrendering is not at all easy. We see so many people preach that surrender to God, उनके शरण में आ जाओ, surrender कर दो. It's not easy. It's so difficult to do because we are so caught up in this world. There's so many things going on here, and there are further many things going on around us, and we are listening either to our mind's noise or either to the voice that the world is trying to tell us. So इस process में we don't listen to what the universe is trying to tell us, what our God is trying to tell us, and what we actually want in our life. हमारा मन, इंट्यूशन जिसको हम कहते हैं ना, उसको सुनना ही बंद कर देते हैं कि हम क्या चाहते हैं इवेंचुअली, एंड जो हम चाहते हैं वही भगवान चाह रहे होते हैं आधा टाइम. You know, what the voice of our heart is telling us to do, that is what God wants us to do, but वो हम सुन ही नहीं पाते because we are like, हम अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को खुद ही सॉल्व करने में लग जाते हैं. That's what we do, and that's what I have done till very recently, that whatever problem we are facing, you know, whatever situation we are stuck in, we try to solve it on our own, कि हम ही इसको ठीक करेंगे, हम ही इसका सब कर लेंगे कल्याण, अब हम ही इससे बाहर निकलेंगे, हम ही इससे बाहर निकलेंगे, ठीक है वो सोल्यूशन, बट आप नहीं ठीक कर सकते उसको. You have to realize that the person who has put you in that situation voluntarily, which is God, he is the only one who can help you come out of that situation. No one else, not even you yourself. And हम लगे पड़े हैं solutions ढूंढने, हम लगे पड़े हैं problems को solve करने, but not realizing कि हमसे कुछ ना हो पाएगा, हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. What we have to do at that point is to accept that a thing is happening to us, is to accept the emotions that we are feeling, and then just surrender to God. Just surrender to him. जब तक हम लगे रहते हैं अपने सॉल्यूशंस ढूंढने में, प्रॉब्लम्स को खुद सॉल्व करने में, ओवर थिंक करने में, एंग्जाइटी में डूबने में, एंड सेल्फ डाउट में, वी आर ओनली पुशिंग दैट इनर वॉइस अवे, द वॉइस दैट विल एक्चुअली हेल्प अस कम आउट ऑफ दैट जोन. हम उसको दूर भगाते रहते हैं बाय बीइंग नेगेटिव एंड ओवर थिंकिंग. सो एट दैट पॉइंट द ओनली बेस्ट थिंग दैट वी कैन डू इज एक्सेप्ट and surrender to God. That is what I have done, and it has changed my situation completely. It has changed everything for me. Now आप बोलोगे कि अभी तो बोल रही थी lost है, फिर change क्या हुआ? Let me explain. Now situations अभी भी वही लाइफ में है, लोग भी वही हैं, दोस्त भी वही हैं, मैं भी वही हूँ, करियर का भी पता नहीं है, lost हम उतने ही हैं जितने I was before a year ago. But after, there's a huge difference in how I see things now. When I was trying to solve and take the blame and blame myself for every single thing and trying to solve every single thing by myself, उस situation में, and then the day finally when I surrendered and I was like, अब मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है, please God, now please take care of me. I am leaving it up to you, and now I'm giving you all my tensions, and now I am not going to take any tension. I am not going to do anything. You take care of it. And he took care of it. Life and your perspective changes the minute you surrender. And coming from a personal experience, I cannot emphasize it enough. The minute you surrender, the minute you're like, अब हमसे ना हो पा रहा है, माफ़ कीजिए, हमें आप संभालिए, वो संभाल लेंगे, वो संभालते हैं. And that is what most of us are not able to understand. And क्यों सॉल्व करनी है आपको प्रॉब्लम अकेले, when there is this power who is taking care of this whole world behind your back, whose sole duty is to take care of you, whose sole duty is to not let you fail. When that Shakti and when that power is behind your back, why are you taking the burden of it? ही इज़ देयर. वो तो बोलते हैं खुद ही कि भाई हमें सब में सब कुछ, अपना सारा जो भी है आप हमें सौंप दो. जब वो सामने से बोल रहे हैं कि अपना सारा दुख परेशानियां हमें सौंप दो, आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ, हमें सभी कुछ करना है, फिर देन गॉड इज़ लाइक करो खुद ही, चलो एक दिन रो पिट के हार के तो आप मेरे पास ही आएंगे, अभी लगे रहो। इफ़ यू आर दैट कि हमें खुद ही सब कुछ सॉल्व करना है, आप लगे पड़े रहो अपने आप ही। एक दिन तो आपको आना ही पड़ेगा रो धो के मेरे पास ही आएंगे आप। सो या दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड। I was so lost. I was like I am stuck in this dark tunnel जिसके आगे की लाइट मुझे दिख नहीं रही है। I am going to be 23 and I don't know what I have to do in life. People my age are doing masters, उनकी masters भी हो गई है। They know what they want in life and हर किसी को पता है कि उनको लाइफ में आगे क्या करना है। I am 23 and I am so lost. I don't know like मुझे आगे क्या करना चाहिए लाइफ में, and कहीं मैं कुछ ऐसा ना कर लूँ जिसमें टाइम लग जाए, पैसा लग जाए, और उसके बाद मैं वो करना चाहूँ भी ना एज अ करियर। सो यू नो आई वॉज दैट लॉस्ट, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था। एट दैट पॉइंट देयर इज दिस वन डे आई क्लियरली रिमेंबर, आई वॉज लाइक गॉड प्लीज़ यू टेक केयर ऑफ इट, हमसे ना हो पा रहा है, आई एम सरेंडरिंग टू यू। अब से मैं कोई टेंशन नहीं लेने वाली हूँ, कल मजे में उठूँगी मैं। आई एम गिविंग यू ऑल माई टेंशन, नाउ यू टेक केयर ऑफ इट। एंड ही टुक केयर ऑफ इट. He took care of it. Nothing in my situation has changed, but everything has changed here. That's what he does. Surrendering to him gives you mental peace, which is the only thing we ever want. हम किसकी वजह से इतना झमेला करते हैं? Look, why are we even lost in life? Because we don't have peace. यहाँ का हमारा सारा equilibrium हिला हुआ है. That's why we do take therapies, and that's why we just so fucked up, because we don't have mental peace a bit in our life. Surrendering to him will give you mental peace. Surrendering to him, you'll be like, अभी मैंने सब कुछ अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स आपको दे दी हैं, नाउ यू टेक केयर ऑफ इट, मैं टेंशन नहीं लूँगी। तो जब आप टेंशन नहीं लोगे तो स्ट्रेस कहाँ से होगा? यू हैव सो मैनी मिसकंसेप्शंस इन योर माइंड रिगार्डिंग सो मैनी थिंग्स, और आपके दिमाग में इतना हेज है that you need that mental peace for that haze to go and to think clearly. And that's what comes with surrendering to God, that when you surrender to him, you are telling कि अभी आप सारी टेंशन लोगे, मैं तो कुछ नहीं करने वाली अब, ठीक है? You like अभी अपन टेंशन नहीं लेंगे, I have given you all my tensions, now you take care of my life, you take care of where to take me. All I'm gonna do is do my karma and not think of anything else. All I'm gonna think of what I am supposed to do in that moment and not think of anything else, and now you take care. Let him do whatever, because he will not do anything which is wrong for you. He will not ever do anything which is wrong to you. आपको लग सकता है in the moment कि everything that I am doing is I'm failing in that and nothing is working out in me. आपको ऐसा उस मोमेंट पर लग सकता है, but he is only working in your favor every single day to make you a better version of yourself, and to give you not what you want or wish for, but what you actually deserve. And that's what happens when you surrender to him. Your haze starts to clear away from here, and then you can think clearly and think better to know कि okay what intrigues you now. अब आपको क्या करने में लाइफ में मज़ा आ रहा है, आपको किस चीज़ में अपना करियर परस्यू करना चाहिए, आपको प्रैक्टिकल ऑप्शन क्या है आगे के लिए. So my only request I would say to anyone who is lost, firstly you are not alone. I am also lost in life. I also don't know आगे क्या करना है, कुछ नहीं पता है. अंधाधुना हम एंट्रेंसेस दे रहे हैं, फिर उस एंट्रेंस के बाद करना क्या है, कॉलेज मिलेगा तो कॉलेज जाएंगे, तो कॉलेज के बाद क्या करेंगे वो भी अपन को आइडिया नहीं है. I am also lost like you. So don't you ever feel that you are alone, because you're not alone, okay? The only thing that I would like to request to anyone who's feeling lost and low is just give yourself the time. Just give yourself कि एक हफ्ता I'm not gonna think, I'm not gonna take the tension. I'll be like, God, आप लो tension. So just surrender to him. For once you'll surrender ना, you will see the changes for your own self. जिनका काम ही है पूरे संसार को चलाना, और जिनका काम ही है कि हर कोई एक अच्छा इंसान बने, हर कोई, भगवान हर वक्त ये कोशिश करते हैं कि वो इंसान मेरे पास आए. वो हमारी चॉइसेस गलत होती हैं कि हम कुछ ऐसी चीज़ों में उलझ के रह जाते हैं कि उनसे दूर 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 जाते रहते हैं. तो वो तो हमें अपने पास बुलाते हैं, एंड जिनका काम ही पूरी दुनिया को चलाना है, उनका मोटिव ये है कि कोई हारना नहीं चाहिए. तो वो सोचिए जब आप उनके पास सरेंडर करेंगे जाके कि आप देखिए प्रभु, अभी आई हैव लेफ्ट एवरीथिंग टू यू, तो वो कैसे हारने देंगे आपको, वो कैसे नई सोल्यूशन निकाल के देंगे आपको. सो जस्ट विदाउट क्वेश्चनिंग हिम, क्योंकि अब देखती हूँ चलो एक हफ्ते तक करके कि क्या होता है मामला. डोंट डू दैट. Just be like, okay, from within, it comes from within ना. ये वो नहीं होता है कि टेस्ट एंड ट्राई वाला सिस्टम नहीं चलता है भगवान के साथ. वो बोलेंगे कि करो टेस्ट एंड ट्राई, बाहर में जाओ. जस्ट सरेंडर टू हिम विद ऑल योर हार्ट. आई एम सरेंडरिंग टू यू, नाउ यू टेक केयर, एंड देन you will see the miracle for your own self, trust me. Let me clear off this one thing. I don't want anyone watching this video to think that, oh, you know, maybe she's making this video because she's out of the rut, or maybe because she is finally aware of what she wants to do in life. nahi bhai, nahi, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. I am stuck in life, I am lost in life, and I'm making this video to serve the purpose of my channel, which is to be relatable and which is to share things that has personally affected me or helped me come out of some dark place. That's it. So yeah guys, that's all for the video today. I really loved making this video because इसमें मैं भगवान को पहली बार ऐसी वीडियो मैंने बनाई है जो दिल से बना रही हूँ मैं. All videos are by the way दिल से only, but this one is extra special because I'm sharing something that मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो किसी तक पहुँचे एंड कोई उसको विश्वास करके उसको एक बार करके देखे ताकि उनको अपने आप समझ आ जाए कि भाई क्या होता है ये ऐसा करना. So yeah, I really hope you like it. I really hope you take something positive from it, and just know that you've got this. And if you are at a rock bottom stage in your life right now, just know that the light is approaching you very soon at the end of that tunnel. So yeah, see you soon in my next video. Bye.